Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Back to my channel, this is Randy, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to do a follow-up to my Boss Bottled Marine limited edition video. I wore this for about a week and I wanted to give you an update on the performance, the sillage, the projection, the longevity, and just like other Boss Bottleds, I thought that this would be along the lines of about 5 to 6 hours of longevity. The Boss Bottled line has slowly but surely been reducing the amount of time that it wears on your skin, but unfortunately with this one, it is actually a very, very good version in the line. Even though it's an eau de toilette, I got at least 7 to 8 hours of this on my skin to wear. It's a really nice spring and summer fragrance. They call it marine, but it's not really a marine scent. It goes its own path. I would say it's more of a signature scent that can be worn all year round. It is aimed more for the spring and summer, but I would wear it all year round. It really fits in well with the Boss Bottled collection, and it is probably my favorite release that they've had since Boss Bottled Intense, and it's probably, to me, better than Boss Bottled Intense because it is different. As far as the projection, it's not a projection beast. I would say it's about moderate for about 2 to 3 hours. Then it comes to be closer to the skin, but overall it is a very good scent. It has a really nice performance to it for an eau de toilette. It's a nice addition again to the Boss line. The sillage, which is the cloud that gets behind you if someone's walking behind you. Again, it's about 2 to 3 feet. It's not major, it's just moderate, but for an eau de toilette in a limited edition, I recommend that you go to Macy's to pick this up while it is still available because it is an amazing fragrance. But if you guys like my content, please like and subscribe. And again, I'm doing a giveaway. And 50 subscribers, I'm doing a 10 milliliter decant giveaway. You guys can choose, whoever wins can choose what cologne out of my collection that you want that 10 milliliter decant from. And then at 100 subscribers, I am doing a full bottle giveaway. But yeah, thank you again for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys.